This is my tech carry pouch. This one deserves an entire video in itself, which I will make very shortly. Alrighty, so let's start with the tech pouch itself. So this is by a company called the Leather Chef, and it's an Indian company. I got it when I was in India, and this is a really great tech pouch. But you can get another tech pouch. I think I really like one by Belroy and one by Peak Design. They both are amazing but a bit expensive. I don't exactly remember how much I got it for because I got it like 2 or 3 years back and it's still going very strong. It's a mix of canvas and leather and a great zipper. But I'll try to find it and link it down in the description below so you can also buy it, especially if you are in India. Now let's check what's inside, and it opens up completely, which I really like. Like, look how much expand it can be. So yeah, there are a lot of things that goes inside, but as you can see, these sections are very well defined, and there are separate sections for all the things, so you can easily manage a lot of different gadgets, a lot of different things, and so much can be done with this one tech pouch. So I'll try to break it down, and I don't really have a fixed organization, but this is what I usually do when I carry, and I try to make sure that I don't carry anything sharp or anything that's not allowed by TSA, especially if I'm flying. But now let's see what inside. So first of all, simple things. I have an extra phone, especially when I'm traveling. I really carry an extra phone if my primary phone is stolen or if I lost it somewhere. It happened to me a few times, so that's why I always carry an extra phone. I have a microfiber cloth here for my specs, for these lenses and all sort of things. I have a pencil. I don't know why, but it's been there. Then I have an additional storage for my Mac, and this is the NVMe drive. It's like a solid state drive, and it has 500 GB. It is NVMe 500 GB M2 based solid state drive. This is really fast, really amazing external storage device, which I use for video editing and storing file. Let me know if you want me to make a tutorial on how to make this yourself, because this is really cheap, especially compared to Apple built-in storage. Then I have this USB-C dongle. Unfortunately, there are still not many things which are USB-C, but this is by QGEEM, and I got it like 1 year back from I think UK, but this is really amazing. So this one is a single USB cable, but over here you have a HDMI full-size port. You have two USB 3.1 on the back, one USB-C and one USB full-size 3.1 here, a micro SD card and a SD card slot. So with the single USB-C Thunderbolt cable, you are getting all those ports, so it's really come handy for my Mac. And in this section I also have an aux cable, which is for my headphones, and an aux splitter. So this single aux goes to two cable, and this one also be used in the airplane, so that's why I carry it. Over here in the pouch I have another dongle, again a USB-C dongle, and this is for another USB full size and HDMI port. I have an additional card reader. My laptop has an inbuilt card reader, but I still carry an additional one, and a small pen drive, and a USB-C to full-size USB port, because I'm paranoid about USB converters for some reason. And yeah, that's it for this section. Now on to the next section. As you can see, there are a couple of pockets here, and here I carry a USB-C to USB-C cable for my iPad, a USB-C to lightning cable for my iPhone, and a USB-C to MagSafe cable for my MacBook laptop. Onto the next pocket, I have a very small diary with a pen, and this is usually I'm taking any notes on the go. This is for that. And I have a small cleaner for my keyboard, for my AirPods. This thing has a pointed edge over here and a cleaner on the back. Really comes handy if you're using an AirPods. And now on to the favorite section of my tech pouch. This is something that I totally love. This is a GAN charger, and if you're not aware, these are the new generation of chargers, because the previous generation are made from silicon and this is made of gallium nitride. That's why they're called GAN charger. And this single small charger, look how small it is, and it has 4 ports, 3 USB-C and 1 full-size USB. So it can charge 4 devices, and the best part is it's 100 watt. So I can charge my MacBook, I can charge my iPad, I can charge my Apple Watch and iPhone using the same device, and I still have an additional port left. to charge my camera and whatever. So this is my favorite piece of accessory in this whole bag. If you haven't yet bought a GAN charger, I would highly recommend to get a GAN charger. This one is by a company called Minix. I got it from London, but you can get from Ugreen, from different other companies now available. And the good part is this comes with additional mount. So this is for, let's say, the US plugs, and over here I can attach India or EU plug, and I can also attach plugs for Australia, Dubai and different countries. So this one is really small yet extendable power adapter. And on the other pocket I have this 3-in-1 charger, the MagSafe 3-in-1 charger. Again, I bought it from UK, so I can charge my iPhone, I can charge my AirPods, and I can also charge my Apple Watch at the same time, as you can see. And this folds up really nicely as this in compact form factor. So this charges all my device, and imagine having 4 ports here, 3 devices you can charge from 1 port, and then you can charge every device at the same time. So usually when I'm traveling in the night at my hotel rooms, I put all my devices using the single 100-watt charger, and that gives me so much piece of flexibility. Alright, moving to the next part of the section of this pouch, I have a LAN cable. This is a Cat 7 LAN cable. I still carry it with me because I have a travel router, and if I see any LAN port, this is what I prefer over Wi-Fi. And I have 2 locks. I have been carrying locks for many years now. So this one is a key lock, and you can use it to attach bicycle, you can use it to attach helmets if you are renting it in a different country, which I usually do. And this is a TSA approved number lock, so this can go into your bags and luggage. So yeah, these 2 locks I have been carrying for all my life. Over here we have my keyring, and this one has a lot of different things, a lot of things happening here, and this one deserves a video in itself, which I will make very shortly. But yeah, let's move ahead, and let me show you. Over here I have a small USB full size to lightning adapter because I still use a lightning iPhone. And over here I have a USB Wi-Fi dongle because, as some of you know, I am an embedded systems engineer, and I do tech consultancy for a lot of embedded companies, and this really comes handy when I'm testing single board computers and embedded Linux. So that is part of the job. And I also have a USB-C to Ethernet cable. Ethernet is something that I really prefer over Wi-Fi, and if I see an Ethernet port, that's where my Ethernet cable and this USB-C to Ethernet comes in handy for. And I have a couple of items, more pen drive, and what's that? Yeah, this is a small charging cable by a company called InCharge, and you can see how small that is. And over here it has a full size USB. Over here it has USB-C, but it can clip out. You can see you have lightning, you have USB mini, and the other side also clips out, and it has another USB-C. So you can see that with this small cable you can charge almost any device you own. So this is by a company called InCharge, and this is not very cheap. It's like 2000 INR. I got it from Amazon, I think. But yeah, look how small that is, but that one cable can charge any device on this earth yet. So I think that's all about what's in my pouch video. Hope you got some ideas, hope you find some new gadgets. Let me know in the comment section what was the favorite part of this whole video in terms of which gadget you really like. And on that note, I'm gonna see you in the next one.